Hello friends, today let us know about the metros and other public transport system in Milan. Let us begin with the transport from Malpensa airport to Milan and followed by the various transports available inside Milan. Watch the video without skipping because I have provided the ticket cost, zone details etc. in this video. Once you arrive the baggage claim, you can find such machines where you can deposit €2 to get a trolley which can assist you in managing your baggage. While you wait for the baggage, make sure you note down the details of how you can reach the center of Milan. So those details are clearly displayed in the board, including the taxis, the bus available and also about the train details. Clear signs are marked all over the airport to guide you to reach the place where you want to go. So the moment you come outside of the arrival, take the exit number 4 in case you are looking to take the Malpensa shuttle service to reach the Milan center. If you are looking for a taxi, then continue further right towards the exit number 7 where you can find all the taxis waiting. So all the white taxis are all the airport taxis and they have a fixed fare of €95 to drop you anywhere in the city of Milan. In case you are looking for trains, continue further on the right and you will have an escalator taking you to one level down where you will find all the rental agencies, pass across them and then finally to reach the Malpensa Express station. So they have a station in the basement. Get a ticket right from the basement and then you start getting into the Malpensa Express. One word of caution here, if you have heavy baggages then it may be a little difficult to reach the Malpensa Express station. So I have seen that many people prefer to take the bus rather than the train just for this reason. Now let us look at the metro in Milan. Metro connects every corner of the city and runs almost all through the day. Come on, let us see how to get the ticket for the metro. Knowing the zone details is a must to buy the right ticket. Milan province is divided into several zones. Don't get confused. So zone MI1, MI3 denotes the Milan city or the urban zones. The cost of ticket is €2 for the urban zone and you can use it for unlimited rides on the metro, trams and buses in Milan and for a max of 90 minutes from the time of validation. If you are planning to roam around Milan for the whole day, I would recommend you to take a single day pass that costs you €7. This again allows you unlimited rides for the next 24 hours. For tourists who are visiting Milan for a couple of days, the 3-day pass would be very economical, so go for it. Alternatively, you can also get a ticket for 10 rides which should save you €2 when compared to the regular single trip ticket. Every metro station should have a vending machine like this. So it has both Italian and also English language, so it is easy to buy the ticket from the machine. Or if not, you can also approach the shop which is called Tabaki where you can buy tickets. Every platform will also show the destination of the train, so which will help you to know the direction in which the train is going. So by looking at this signs, you can pick the right metro for your destination. Inside the train, you will also find such displays which shows you the name of the next station that is approaching. So that will really help you to know the station where you want to get down. Milan has almost every type of transport system that you could imagine of. Yes, these light rails you see here are very common when you travel inside Milan. One of the main reasons for having such light rails in Milan is that they are all electrified and causes zero pollution. This is the classic iconic tram of Milan. If you ask me, my first recommendation to do in Milan is to board on one of these trams and just sit and relax. These trams runs through the beautiful city and you will get a chance to enjoy the architectural wonders of the city. The next best thing here is the way they have laid the routes for this tram. Watch closely. The tracks are not laid just through a concrete jungle, but with full nature surrounding its path. Yes, they have laid the route without disturbing the nature and have retained the trees and greens excellently. Maintaining the nature and still successfully running this service in a city like Milan is not an easy task. Shouldn't we appreciate this effort, guys? Yes, we should. Okay, the most important thing in the public transport in Milan is to validate your ticket. So every transport system has such boxes where you need to insert your ticket to get it validated when you board on the buses or tram. One good thing in cities like Milan is you have almost 24 hours of bus transport and metro. So there are night services that is running when the regular bus service is not operating. So these are the yellow color small bus which is called as a radio taxi, and this one runs till midnight, like past midnight to 2 a.m. The metro system is also closed by midnight, 12 midnight. But do not worry, because they operate an alternative service using the night bus services. And these night services, you can use the same ticket that you have been using for the regular metro. So I'm sure now you are all set to explore the metro in Milan, right? Good luck, and here are some more bonus tips exclusively for my friends before I close this video. If you are visiting Milan for a few days, then my recommendation is to get the 1 day or the 3-day passes depending on your length of stay. Also, if you travel with kids, I have some more good news for you. Yes, you do not need to get a separate ticket for them. Kids up to 10 years travel free in Milan with an adult. So if you need more details or if you have any queries, feel free to post in the comment. I will surely respond to help you clarify. Hope you loved this video, and please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Most importantly, do not forget to share this wonderful video with your friends and on social media. Love you guys. See you soon.